Hey guys, welcome to Frankfurt. We're at Form next year. One of the biggest surprises we have is of course our Powershot DUAL Performance series. This is one of the most exciting things here. Of course, we have so many people here waiting to come in. One of the most special things about the Powershot Performance is that this machine was specifically designed for the most difficult applications within additive manufacturing. The great thing is that it blends right into the factory of the future with state-of-the-art automation technology from our partnership with Siemens. The blasting media separation unit leads to a lower consumable consumption and a result of reduction of cost by up to 70% savings in blasting media. This unit is compatible with all common powder bed technologies, and the fact that part volume has increased by 1.5 times while still saving 50% on workspace is just incredible. So a lot of times it's more seeing than believing, right? So one of the great things here at Formnext, when you can see all this technology, is you can see a powdered part here as the before. And after it goes through the process, you have a beautiful, clean, semi-gloss look on the part. So that's basically the DUAL Performance series. Looking forward to seeing you guys here in Frankfurt, Germany. Have a great day.